No.
Also, there's another thing too that okay, I'm sure I've told you before. I don't actually alt tab when I play GTA. I play GTA. I do not alt tab, and I don't use any.
No.
So much modding and so much crap. Rockstar has had to change their coding for their anti-cheat software so often that they screw shit up, and a lot of people get false banned just from running shit like chat software, overlay display for frames per second. There was one point where Fraps, you remember Fraps? That.
Rain, come out here. I have a word or two with you.
No.
Come
He
out.
needs to ask you a question.
You made me sad.
Rain. Rain.
What?
Get out. Come out. I wanna give you a
It looks
gift.
pretty sunny. Looks pretty sunny out. I don't know what you're talking about.
A friendly gift.
I have no
Friendly gift.
sweetness. Leave me alone.
He's crying in the corner.
Damn it, Stu.
We expect the
What you're
unexpected.
giggling.
Never. 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 I live to giggle, man.
You guys can use me as an enemy, and
I hate the internet.
yeah.
Because Sweet's not on.
Yeah, I'm so lonely. I'm bored and lonely, and that's bonely. I'm so bonely.
You're so boned.
Bonely. Shut up, Stu.
Never. No. I'm trying to lure you out, trying to make you feel better.
They're all
You
gonna
know?
laugh.
They are gonna fucking laugh.
I am laughing. Oh god. Cool. I sent you an invite, Rain, if you want to join. I might do like a
An
ES or
invite to
something.
what?
An ES, Rain. An ES. I'm trying to be your friend, man. I'm trying to lift your spirits up from the depths of your spoonless life. Man.
So sad.
Here, Rain, you want to have fun with a website, because you like to watch shows, right? Well, this website here.
But
You're
2 to
fake
1
news.
odds here.
No, you're fake news, Rain. No.
I
You're
have
fake-
2 votes
Rain,
here. I have 2
How do I
votes
know
here
you're real?
that have not.
How, two
how did,
votes?
How did
I don't even know you guys are real. You're just in my ear. I can't
We're
see
realer
you.
than you are, man.
That is some good
You're
stuff
not
for
real.
smoking score if you don't know we're real.
You're not real, man. This is all NPC shit, man.
What? You shove it out your ass, Scorp.
So yeah, Sweet got banned, Brex got banned, Blunder got
Wow.
banned, Huntress
I'm
got
so
banned.
lonely. I miss my sweetness.
Am I missing anybody?